Don't translate.
Yes, good morning. Good afternoon, brother. Mr. Gay, hello, how are you? Well, please.
No, actually no. In fact, I was telling them that right now the temperature in Kenya, Nairobi is about 28.
28.
Flash 26, 28.
Summer, 3 months of fall and 3 months of winter.
Sure, in winter seems like it's
By the Oriental calendar, New Year has come on the 21st of January and will last until 21st of February. The earliest celebration by human race. Nowadays is the spring equinox on the 22nd of March. Before all religions established the winter are overcome by the bright forces of spring, when the new life comes and people start to, and if you will remember what is the centerpiece of the Easter, the egg, the ancestry of history. But once again, let me welcome you in Kazakhstan. You have a very long trip. I think you arrived when I know that you have traveled extensively around Kazakhstan, met with lots of people from all angles, from all corners. We are an open society. We have extended our invitation to all special contacts. We welcome your visit to Kazakhstan. We would like to make sure that you have the opportunity to try to help you in advance by preparing our report. So I'm sure that you have been briefed at different meetings in the government bodies, in NGO community, in specialized bodies.